follow certain rules. You need to follow certain rules, like you need to you need to be attentive in the class and all that. So I'll take you through that journey. Let me check how many members have joined till now. Okay, let me check how many are there. How many still are waiting? Mhm. We have a simple formula. When I ask students why are you late, they say all simple, sir. Net problem. It's not net problem. It's probably a timing also. It's almost 3.5 minutes we have completed. If net is slow, also you would have joined if you start clicking the buttons on time. Right. Okay. So it's interesting. I have good numbers. I have good numbers again today. It's interesting. Very interesting to be this 25th August is going to be an interesting day. Yeah. It's a life-changing opportunity for all of you. Please do remember this. Welcome all of you. Again, we have only 14 members today. Okay, welcome all of you for this life-changing opportunity given to you by Jeet Academy for Soft Skills. Why do I call this as a life-changing opportunity? As simple, right? This is a free training program, right? But it's a serious involvement, right? It's not like free training program. You can come whenever you want and whenever you can go, right? Again, today also, few of them were not on time. We are going for a virtual classroom. Understand the rules and regulations of virtual classroom. Time plays an important role. Myself, my name is Jitendra Mahendra. I'm going to be a trainer for next 7 weeks. Right? We'll have 5 weeks of rigorous training and 2 weeks I'll have an individual interaction. We have to focus more on our interview skills, right? So individual interaction will be required. So I probably spend 1 or 2 weeks. All of you will be listening. We'll be doing a mock interview for everyone, probably 2 interviews per candidate, right? So as I told you, my batch size will be 12 to 13 and max 15. So we need to have 2 mock interviews for each. So we will, you all will be facing, like it will be like 30 interviews you'll be facing, and you'll coming to know what exactly is happening in interview section. Okay, before going to the interview, we should prepare ourselves for interview. Why this training? Why employability skills training program? Is to prepare you to attend an interview and come out with the flying colors. A success and result should be success, a job, good job in your hand. So, okay, what I'll teach you in employability skills training program, right? I'll be teaching you about your new work. You'll be joining a new workplace. So I'll be teaching you about how to behave, what to do, what not to do, right? And you'll be joining totally a new environment, which is a professional environment. Till now, you are in a general. I'll not call it as general, but you are not overall being a professional environment. You are a casual approach, even in the college life and all that. But once you join a job, you become a professional person. You have a professional life and a personal life. So I'll help you out to differentiate between professional life and personal life. And I'll help you out to adjust in the environment. When I say environment, probably a lot of you in this session would say, so my English is not good. Oh, great, no problem, because we are Indians, our mother tongue is Telugu, Hindi, or let's say someone who is joined Orissa, there's one candidate, Oriya. Okay, so English is not our mother tongue. So do I really need to know English? Oh, not really, but then I'll help you out to improve your English, which will help you out in the office environment as a common language across the world. We need to learn common language across the world. So I'll give you some tips. I'll not teach you English, right? We are not talking about English. Will uh, I'll give you some tips to improve your English, presentation English, communicative English, right? So I'll prepare you for the environment where you're fitting it. Then again, I told you I'll prepare you for how to interact with your colleagues and other things. Okay. Welcome all of you for this training program, employability skills training program. I expect 12 members right now. Okay. I expect all 12 of you will be part of this training program. So let's start the journey. Happy journey for a better future. Thank you. Why are we conducting this training program? To make you understand what exactly we are going to teach you, what exactly you, when you join a job, a new assignment will be, right? And when you meet your colleagues, how to interact. So we'll teach you etiquettes, grooming, right? Part of communication skills. Very important thing in your mind. What is the purpose of this introduction program? Why this introduction program? Why not directly start the class? Great. Our class starts on 18th August, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. thrice a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What we will do is in this our training schedule, which will be from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 4 o'clock onwards, we'll have a Zoom session. We'll have a Google Meet. We'll have on YouTube. We'll have different things. You need to have main maximum thing we'll be doing on is in Zoom. So if you don't have Zoom application, please download, get ready for the class. Now, what I'm going to teach you here is to bridge the gap between your job and you, right? To meet the necessary requirement, right? To meet the required skills to get a job, and just not to get a job, to be happy in the job, right? We need to develop certain skills. You may be having certain skills. We need to develop certain skills. So we'll talk about that. And the way of teaching my session will be based on see, hear, act, right? That means when I'm taking a presentation, you're seeing and hearing the session. And when I ask you a question, you act, you respond. So our training will be based on see, hear, and act. And I use a international method called CAPV. It's a well organized, well planned method which helps individual to grow overall. It's not once you join this, your way of thinking will change once the course is completed. Your life, your focus, your view towards things will have changed because we'll be teaching you point of view, which is very important topic, right? So our teaching will be experimental based teaching. When I say experimental, till now what we have done in our school, college life is not an experimental. It's a traditional way of teaching, right? They used to take a class, then give you homework, then take a test. Experimental learning is I'll give you the inputs about a topic. You need to do research and get more information and then share with all of us. So our training program will have a WhatsApp group created. So if you are in this session and you are not part of the WhatsApp group, please contact me on my WhatsApp number 98498 00026. So we'll create a WhatsApp group. Once the class is over, you will type some 20-21 points about your learning of the topic. If you are, that's how it goes. So I take a class and you in WhatsApp group you type your learning. You could refer Google if you want other books and give points. So you will be so let's say I have taken a topic of communication. So after completion of communication, you people will type minimum 51 points because communication is a big topic. You'll type 51 points in WhatsApp group. You'll make a 51 points page and then share it in the WhatsApp group. You have different resources. I'll help you out from where, how you can extract information, right? That's how we do. That's called experimental learning. Apart from that, you will be taking the class. One or two candidates after 2-3 sessions. All of you will be taking the class. Don't worry, I'll teach you. I'll make you grow big, right? So what are we expecting from you? Fee? Oh, we are not expecting fee for the students who are attending this webinar right now, right? Till August 15, people have filled the form and attended my introduction session. they're going to get free training program. As such, employability skills training program, if you come and join into my training institute, it's 1-to-1 or maximum of 4 candidates will be there, and I'll be charging 22,000 for this. And luckily, you people are going to get the same content free of cost. The only difference between my classroom session at and online session is activities will be less, because we cannot do much activities on the online. I'll do a few activities online also, but not as right interactive. So that's the difference, right? And then the cost of 22,000 employability skills training program is going to give you free of cost, right? What we expect from you, we expect attendance, attentiveness, participation, involvement, and very important, on coming on time. Come on time, follow the instruction, whatever the trainer says, follow the instruction. If you are doing this, I guarantee you that your life will change after 5 weeks. Your thought process, your initiative towards work, your focus will be totally different. You will be a changed person if you follow my instructions and work for this 5 weeks with me. And what are your expectations? Oh yes, if you're part of the WhatsApp group, please type your expectation. What are you expecting out of this training program, right? If you're not part of the WhatsApp group, you need to please visit my website, http jeetsir.in, http://jeetsir.in, and click on contact page, and you'll get my email ID and mobile number. You can message me. I'll add you, right? Okay. Now coming back to our topic, what are your expectation? Yes, you can have lots of expectation. Please type in the WhatsApp group. We'll share it. Your thought process and my thought process should be same. Your expectation and my expectation, if they are same, align, then you will be successful, right? And common expectation from all of you will be to reach your goal. To reach your goal, then we'll have a topic, 2 days of topic for goal setting. So don't worry, we will. Right. Mahinder says he expects soft skills. Mahinder, soft skills is a very big topic, Mahinder. Definitely we'll cover soft skill topics. Look, we will cover communication skills, personality development, life skills, right? And office etiquettes, managerial skills, right? We'll cover. Like, see, soft skills is a very big topic. When you talk about soft skills, it has a lot of things to learn. And as far as our age and our right, the age group you are, not all soft skills are required right now. Yes, we need it, but not right now. You don't need to learn how to work in office. That's also part of soft skills, right? Soft skills is a big word, right? It's very loosely used by some small institutes, which says we teach you soft skills for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Oh God, soft skill is not that easy. It's a big ocean. Okay, I'll take you to that. Now, Mahinder, what we need is get a job. Presently, we need to get a job. We don't need skills right now. All skills is not required. We need skills which will help you to get a job first. Then you need skills which will help you to grow in the job. That we will be covering for sure. Okay, coming back. So Mahinder has already said his goal. You need to learn soft skills. Good. He had typed in the WhatsApp group. Good job done. Okay, your goal and our goal, if it's matched, then the success for sure will be there for you. For me, my student will be successfully placed, and for you, yes, same to you, right? So while setting a goal, we need to follow one formula. All of you, please listen. We need to follow one formula. Set a goal. SET, full form of SET. Make it a full form of SET. Skills required to reach the goal. E for education required to reach the goal, and technology required to reach the goal. When you have this three things, SETs, then you will be for sure reaching the goal. To reach a goal, you need to have skills, education, technology, and two additional things, which is time and work. you are on the right time. Probably you are in 20s, early 20s, right? You have a time with you. You need to work hard. No need of working hard. Just need to work smart. Work. If you know things, work will be easy. If you don't know things, work will be hard, right? So time, work, and skills, education, technology. First of all, are you having education? Oh, you are lucky. All the best. You are lucky because you already in the degree or completed your degree. That means you are almost on the track. Education point of view, you are best. You're done. Next, do you know technology? Oh, sure. Mac, you let's say you don't know the full, but yes, you are aware of the technology because today we are connected with technology. Great, success with you. Do you have any skills? Oh yes, you do have some skills, but then we need to brush up that skills. We have to improve that skills, or we have to learn some skills which will help to clear our job interview and make us successful in job, right? And I'll be covering round about 16 to 17 skills which are required, right? Okay. Now, as we were talking about set a goal, you need to understand how to overcome the challenge. If see, it's like you play a video game. In video game, it's clearly said if you need to clear the level, you need to overcome the challenge. Same thing is with life. If you have a problem, no, strong people will say take it as a challenge, solve it, and go to the next level. So if you join a company as an executive, if you take a challenge and overcome the challenges, then you will reach next level, next position, or in salary next level. Oh, position and salary both. If salary increase, that's also good. Position wise also okay. Great. How do I overcome this? I told you. How do I overcome my challenge? Know your goals. Know what is your challenge. Let's see what is your challenge. Coming to class at 4 o'clock is a challenge for you. So know that. And then prepare yourself for that. Get experience. That means when you're starting from your let's say from your friend's place to your home, start early. Experience that if you start at 3:30, you'll reach at 4 o'clock. Yes. So you need to start at 3:20, so you reach at 3:50 on your mobile. Take a glass of water, fresh up, and actively sit in the class. It's possible, right? To achieve a goal, you need to spend time, work, know what are the hurdles you may have, get experience, know about it, overcome it, and you'll be achieving the goal. So simple life, right? Uh, Again, I'll tell you this bunch is the luckiest bunch. I'll tell you, you will be the first generation of people who will be getting work like this. You'll be saying, "Hi, Mahendra, you have been selected for the company. From tomorrow, you have to join the company. 10 to 6 is your work timings, and your workplace from your home. Work from home, right? Have you heard of a work from home trend which has just started getting popular just because of this COVID-19 case, right? And you are the lucky people. You will be working with the new technology. Lots of technology is coming. So please update yourself with the technology required for your professional life. Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, this all are not your professional, right? These are all your entertainment. So keep entertainment aside. Work, get a job first, and then the entertainment value will be more. Then the entertainment will be, you will be enjoying it, right? See, when you join a company, you have to follow one formula. You represent a company. So think it's my company and start working. You represent a company. Because wherever you go, evening 8 o'clock, you go to a party. They'll ask you, where are you working? You'll say, oh, I'm working with Jeet Academy for soft skills. You represent a company. When you represent a company, you take it a ownership, then you will become face of the company. When I say face of the company, you'll be topper in the company because your hard work will be visible to your managers and boss, and you will be rewarded for that. What we need in work is salary plus incentive. Smart work, hard work. Hard work people, they work and get salary. Smart work, they work, they get salary and also get incentives. That's called smart work. One of the things, right? Now, I'll give you one important tip for success. Now, I've given you tip for goals setting. I'll give you important tip for success. You need to be successful, follow these 4 points. 4 points. Plan, implement, test, result. So plan what you're doing, implement it, test it, and then after testing it, deliver it. That means give a result. So when you're going for interview, plan what kind of interview you're going, then prepare according to that, right? Gain the knowledge, and then test yourself. As I told you, we'll have a mock interview. So it's nothing but testing ourselves. Are we eligible? Are we ready to attend the interview or not? So test yourself, and then once you think you have done the job, once you're prepared, yes, I can do it approach, then you go for interview. Then the result, right? Success story will, for anything, everything you need to plan, implement, test, result will come. Whatever you want to do. You want to attend this class and be successful, get a job, you need to plan. You need to plan time to attend the class, plan time to do the revision, plan time to write on the WhatsApp group. And then once you're writing in the WhatsApp group, what you're doing, you're testing your knowledge. Then I'll check and say, great job done. Then you are now eligible to attend the interview. That's confidence level will come. So our course is planned in such a way that if you follow all my instructions point by point without even thinking beyond what is said, for sure after 5 months you'll be a changed person. For a change, you need to work little extra, right? For work little extra now and be comfortable lifelong. What do you want? Extra work today, that is extra struggle when you are young, when you are strong, or when you are in 30s and 40s, when you have a family, you need to give time to them and you need to give time to office. Do you want to work that time extra? Oh no. Prepare yourself right now. Free time. It's your free time, right? What matter most in my class, when you're attending my class, you all have to imagine what you will be after 5 years. Come with that thought process. Act like that from today onwards, whether you join my class or not. Please follow this one instruction. First two instructions were about right goal and success. Third is about self-confidence, self-awareness, right? Believe me, after 5 years, you'll become some successful person. Just think, if you, let's say you want to become a manager after 5 years, from today, act, right? Behave, act, dress like a manager. Then end of the day, you'll be a successful person. Okay. Now, let's talk about the fourth point, change. You all who are sitting in this class to attend my session are eagerly waiting for the change to happen in your life, a better future, a better life, right? For sure, change. You'll have a change when you follow my instruction. You need to understand one thing. Let's take an example of fish and understand about change. Let's say fish is in a small pond. Let's not take pound as an example. Let's take a ball as an example. Fish is in a small ball and it wants to go to a big ball where there's a lot of scope and opportunities. So how can fish move from one ball to another ball? It has to take that jump, right? And when it takes a jump, it's not in water. Do you know fish cannot live without water? So can it take a risk of changing from a small ball, and to a big ball, right? Yes. Calculative risk should be taken. For a better future, for a change, you need to do hard work, calculative risk. Then only the change will be visible to the world and to you. Okay? Good. 4 points. Now, that's all about this training program. We are 2 minutes late. We thought a 25-minute session, but we have 2 minutes late because it started 3 minutes. After 3 minutes waiting for some candidates. Okay, 11 candidates only. Numbers decrease. Great. Thank you. If you like my introduction session, students in the class who are part of the group, please give your attendance saying that I've attended the session so that I can add you in the class. Others, even if you don't want to attend the class, please give your comments in comment box, or give your thumb up or thumb down expression. I'm happy if you give thumb down also, no problem. Okay, any questions? Oh, let me read the questions. Okay. Oh, when we'll start, I'll not go by the order of questions written. I'll just go by the flow, right? So when do I start a class? Okay, your class starts at 5 o'clock, which means you are 5 minutes early or 10 minutes early in the WhatsApp group and type I can, I will, I can. You'll be giving attendance, right? 5 ways we'll be capturing the attendance. First, let's say our class is at 4 o'clock. So 3:45, after 3:45, you log in and give your attendance, right? 4 o'clock, you join Zoom or any other technology. I'll let you know. Zoom is a must. So first session we'll have with Zoom or YouTube or whichever. I'll share the link. Okay. From 4 you'll be attending the class for half an hour or 35 minutes. Then we'll have a break of 5 minutes where you don't take rest. You make a note of points which you have heard, because you need to forward in the WhatsApp group. So you make a note of points which you have heard. The best habit is have a pen and paper when the session starts. Keep writing that time. Smart people will keep writing that time. In half an hour, they do two jobs: listening, writing. They'll that 5 minutes they will enjoy with going for water or anything else. They'll get rest. And hard workers, they listen the class for half a minute, and within 5 minutes they will make a note of points. You may forget some points. If you write immediately, you will remember. Smart approach, right? After half hour to 35-minute session, we'll take a break of 5 minutes and we'll restart the class for next half an hour. And there ends the class. There are two sessions, half of an hour each. If required, if you have any doubts, questions, and if you want to ask questions, we'll have a third session where we'll have a question answer session, right? So that's the reason I said 5:30, 4 to 5:30 is the class, because question answer session is there, then it may will end up at 5:30. Okay, once this is done, then classes starts and you follow the instruction. Okay, next question. Do I need to pay the admission fee? There is no fee, but do I need to pay any admission fee? Oh, great. And another similar question. My friend want to join. Can he join next batch? Okay. Yes, he can. Everyone are welcome. Everyone who is a learner who will follow my instructions for next for the 5 weeks of training, they are welcome. Right? Age group is just a restriction because placements are the challenge up to 26, 27. Okay. Now coming to your question, do I need to pay the fee? Oh no. For this batch, people who are attending this session till today, from June 3rd, shall we get a certificate after completion? Okay, I'll come to that point. See, I was talking about fee first, right? Let's go point by point. That's the last point, right? Fee. Do I need to pay any fee? No, you are not going to pay any fee. People who have joined, who have filled the form please understand, people who have filled the form, right, on my website, http://jeetsir.in, jeetsir.in. Once they fill the form in this website, they are eligible. People who fill the form till 15th August, till today, 12 o'clock, 12, right? Who have filled the form, or anyone in the class right now, if you're not filled the form, I'll give you grace time. Please fill the form as early as possible, right? Till 1 o'clock, I'll close the session at 1. I'll close the registration at 1 o'clock. Okay, you don't need to pay the fee. First, understand what is the fee. What is the name of the program? I'll repeat again, and also complete to talk about 5-6 questions, and especially from one WhatsApp group question, I'll answer it, right? So let me take fee. Yes, it's an employability skills training program. If someone asks you, what are you doing? You're doing employability skills training program, right? Which is based on international method, CAPV method. Okay. And the course fee for the program is 22,000. But, right? But as you people have joined on August 15th, on or before August 15th, fill the form in the website, you are eligible for free training program. As Jeet Academy for Soft Skill is giving free training program from June 3rd to August 15th for first 100 students. So welcome, you are part of it, part of first 100 students free training, right? What is the fee? Fee is 20,000. Admission is 2,000 for employability skills training program. It's a big, right? It's a one-to-one program, right? Where 3 to 5 candidates max will be there in the class. And right? And when you're paying 22,000, it will be one-to-one, not on online. It will be right in the institute. Great. Now, 5 weeks to 7 weeks is the duration of the course, right? For 5 weeks, we'll complete the course. 2 weeks, I have a spare time to interact, get questions, or repeat any topic if students require. Okay, and you will not be require any topic because everyone will be typing each day 51. Let's say communication topic I've done 51 points. Everyone will be typing. That means you'll have some 150, 200 minimum points. If you take all 12 candidates and club 600 points, if you common points, if you remove, you'll have 150 points. Great communication. You'll be the best in the communication when you follow that points. When you follow my instructions. Okay. So fees are set. Now, after completion of course, will I get a certificate? Oh, you'll never get a certificate. You'll get a participant certificate. It's an online training program, participation certificate. Now, if you want to be eligible for certificate, you all have to give one attendance. When you join the class, for 5 minutes, first 5 minutes, you're giving your attendance by coming on WhatsApp. Oh, I'm sorry, coming on CAM. Right? So in first attendance, WhatsApp you type, I can before 4 o'clock, then 4 o'clock to 4:05, you have to be on CAM. Don't give me any excuse. That is your attendance. If you are not on the CAM, that means you are absent for that day. So a person who have attended all sessions on time, right, are eligible for participation certificate, right? With this certificate, you have participated online training program. That's what this certificate will say. Yes, you will have an e-certificate mailed to you after 1 month of the course. Great. What, sir, if my friends want to join the training program, yeah, they can join and they'll be getting 20%. You're there to pay only 20%. Next people till Dussehra, whoever is joining after August 15th, till Dussehra, they'll be paying only 20% of the fee. 22,000, 20%, right? Okay. So they'll be paying the 20%. That will discuss after 16th. You'll find that. Okay. And tell your friends if they want to know the fee structure. As simple as that. You know, when you fill the form, in the form you had a course, select the course, you had the fee there mentioned there, right? Tell them fee is mentioned in the form, fill the form and come to know about the fee, right? Okay, I've answered the certificate, I've answered fee, and okay, what else? Will I be get placement or job assistant? How? I'll guarantee you, you will, after attending this training program, you will not have this question, will I be getting a job or will you be giving me a job? You'll say, I am able to get a job, right? Because I'll teach you in such a way that you'll search where the job opportunities are there and you'll click. For sure, yes. Now, because of this COVID-19, I'll not say after completion of your course, I will send you for interviews. But once the normalcy comes, when the opening comes, every candidate, I'll give 3 job opportunities. 3 telephonic interviews will be arranged for you within. Now, because of this situation, COVID situation, I want to say this, within 6 months of, you'll be getting 3 interviews. If it is a normal days, after completion of course, within a 1 month, you'll be facing 3 interviews and you'll be joining. My success rate is 70% of my students joins, right? 20% go for higher education for MBA and so they realize the importance of masters. Okay, that's great. So about job, about fee, about certificate. Any other questions? There's some questions which doesn't need answer, right? What will I learn? Hurry, you will learn something which is required for your life skills. You learn etiquettes, manners, right? You learn communication, personality, attitude, optimistic. All you will learn which is required for a human being who is successful. You want to be successful? So I'll teach you what are things required to be successful. Okay? Any other question? Any separate batch for girls? Or it depends. If I have 6 to 8 girls, then I can have a separate batch. Another question. Sir, if my age is about 26, can I join a batch? Please understand, anyone who is above 26, 28, please understand, I cannot give job guarantee. This course is about doing a course, attend my class, and then attend 3 interviews. So it will be a difficult task for me, for someone who is the age of 28 and above and want to join in first new job. Understand? All of you understand. Age plays an important role, right? Before 23, 24, you have to be in the job. Yes, you can join with a letter, just sending a mail to me saying that my age is about 28. I'm interested to learn, and my interest right now is to learn, and I'm not expecting any job assistant from you. If you may, I definitely, even if you're age of 35 and my student, you'll be sent for a job interviews. Understand? There will be less job opportunities. So I'll do that, but I don't want to take a risk. I am very frank. What I can do, what I cannot do. After 28 and above, it's 50% chance that I can place you in the company. So if you want to join, if any one of your friends, relatives, anyone want to join, they can join with just a mail commitment saying that we are not interested in job assistant, right? Okay. Any other questions? So, okay, do I need to join only in Zoom? Yes, you need to have Zoom. There is no, our classes, online classes will be based on Zoom. If anyone new for this Zoom session, first day, which is not Monday, our batch is starting from Wednesday. We have Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, but our batch is starting on Wednesday. All of you, what is the date on Wednesday? You know that? I'm sure you know it, right? Not Monday. Don't get tense. First, join the WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, Wednesday morning, you'll get a message. You'll get a link. You have to click that link, and you'll be part of my training session, right? Welcome. I welcome you all for this life-changing opportunity, right? And our batch starts from 19th, which is Wednesday. Okay, 4 o'clock. Congratulations, you have just loaded a ship which is going to take you to the destination, which is called success, a job, right? And every Sunday we will have, once you complete 2 weeks of training, every Sunday also we'll have a class that will be about in different students taking classes. Okay, you also can take the class one day. Thank you all. Nice talking to you. If you have any questions, feel free to log into my website, http://jwetsir.in, and go to contact page. You find my email ID and WhatsApp number. WhatsApp me, response within 12 hours. Email me, response within 24 to 36 hours. And if any of your friends have any doubts, great. Tell them to fill the form and get connected with me, right? Thank you. Thank you for spending a valuable 42 minutes with me. See you on 19th Wednesday at 4 o'clock. Keep your Zoom on. 3:45, start giving attendance in the group. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless all. Bye-bye. Let me end this session. Oh, this is the challenge. I'm not able to end the session. This is not good, Jitendra. Why you're not able to end it? Your mouse is troubling. End the session. Thank you. End the session.